Welcome back to the channel, my name is Cookie and today you're watching another summoning session for Honkai Impact 3rd. Today we're gonna do a summoning for Herrscher of Truth, aka the new version of Bronya. Now, for the expansion supply itself, I most likely will only roll in that banner because after reaching a certain milestone, you can actually get like the stigmatas and the weapon itself. So I might just go full on with the expansion supply rather than the focus supply. I know I have 8 tickets that I can do for single supply rolls, but I mean I might as well just go for the expansion and then reach the milestones, right? Because eventually I am going to spend money on this on the gacha. Now I have 14k crystals, 1 ticket, and you know I could probably buy some B chips for the bundle itself. So let's go ahead and do the first multi. I probably should have just used the single ticket, but we'll see. Okay. Oh. Okay, we got the Valkyrie A rank. Hopefully I don't skip this too much. Midnight, great. Do I need more versions of her? I'm not sure. Alright. We have reached the first milestone. Nothing too special. Now I am using the single ticket because why not? I only have 1 anyway, so not bad. I do want to get more of these, right? Even though they're kind of easy to get, but right. So once we reach 60, then that'll be good for the first milestone. Okay, let's go ahead and do the multi from now on. I'll skip a bit faster because whoa! Herrscher of Truth already? Damn, yo. If my my cousin's probably gotta be a little salty once he sees this, because my cousin does play this game and he is trying to roll for Bronya as well. But the difference between him and I is the fact that I'm a whale. But I did not expect to get Bronya this early, so no. That's too good. You know what's even better? Or what's worse, actually, I should say? I might have to go a bit further beyond. Let's go ahead and do another one. Alright, so we got Bronya down the line. Or wait, is it even worth rolling more copies of her now? Oh, we got Raven. Ah, shit, maybe I should have thought this through. Oh. Okay, we got Himiko. Okay, we got another Midnight. Alright, we have a lot of copy of Raven. Let's see if I can actually rank her up. Damn, okay, now that I think about it, the milestone is quite far. Damn, okay, yeah, you have to be a real whale to actually, like, reach all of this. Holy crap. Maybe it's best to go for the focus after all, but... Oh! Ah, shit, the Key of Oblivion. That's not what I needed. Okay. Well, there goes my weapon. Hope for best. Nope. Okay. Alright, so I used 860. I think the safest bet right now is to roll for the focus. Or should I just go for the first milestone and then the rest I'll go for the focus? I don't know what should be a good idea. Hardcore whale. God damn, that's a lot. But at the same time, if I keep rolling for the expansion banner, there's more chance for me to get more copies of Bronya. You know what? Let's go for that one. Screw it. We're going all in, baby. Okay. Might as well wish for another copy, I guess. God, I am disgusting. Oh, okay, we got Midnight. Fuck, you know, we're not that close, are we? Alright, let's go. Ooh. Oh. Okay. We got Rita, but not Bronya. Right. Well, there goes my character. We're close to getting the milestone, though. Alright, before we go any further. Damn, look at her. Ah, damn it, she's already freaking triple S. And she can't. Ah, damn it. That's a shame. I'm reaching hard cap right now. Max. So pretty much every Raven that I roll for are pretty much useless. Alright, so I just spent on bead chips in order to get the bundle for the expansion supply, right? So I do have 3 multis and 5 singles before I can get to use the crystals once again. Definitely will get at least one of the stigs or the weapon. And at the same time I could get Bronya, so why not? Man, now whenever I get Raven, I'm just not gonna be excited about, because all the Ravens I will get will be pretty much useless. Oh, we got the first milestone. Nice. Oh shit, we even have the a bit of the character too. Alright, we got another multi. Let's go. Alright, so I'm wishing for the characters. Hey. Nope. Okay. It's fine. Or is it? We will never know. Okay, Bronya. Ah, shit. Okay, one. Nope. Fuck me. Oh wait, we have another one? 3 characters, but no Bronya. That's fine. Jesus, Raven. Stop appearing like this. I don't need that shit right now. Let's go supply. So yeah, we got the Bronya secured, and at least her weapon. As for the stigs, though, god damn it, I have to spend that much, huh? This game is really not messing around when it comes to rolling for characters and the milestone that needs to be reached. So we got 3 more singles before we get to do the multis. Wait, do I even have enough for a multi actually? I only have 30. Oh, 1k though. No, that's not enough. That's fine. Low-key, I might just end after this and fuck me. I might have to end after this single because I will most likely roll the rest off screen, but as long as I have Bronya, I think that's all it matters. Oh, you don't. Oh, You serious? The box doesn't provide the weapon. Ah, you fucking asshole. Okay, wait, hang on. Wait. I gotta go check this. Then why are you giving me 4 milestone box? Oh, wait. Oh, you fucking... Okay, Mihoyo, I see you. I see now, because once you reach the second stick box, that's the one that provides the weapon. Ah, dang. Alright, now I have no choice but to spend money and actually try to reach this. I might as well roll more. I only have 5 more fragments before I get to rank up the character as well. There you have it, Bronya Herrscher of Truth. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of these. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.